Pam Woods got the movie We Got a Monster. Well, I got one called We Beat the Beast. Pam Woods is in it. Brandon Soderbergh is in it. Mark Steiner's in it. Anybody in Baltimore is in it. Social media for social change. I don't have to ask you to sign a movie release. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. That's Julie Enser from the clerk of the court. My property was stolen in 2011 because I was making a documentary about Baltimore's courts. See that? County courts, 2011. The entire contents of the defendant's vehicle, a 1999 Chevy Suburban. You stole and sold my vehicle before I went to trial. You sent me to trial without my evidence. That's a body attachment. Nobody was never arrested. You took this material from me. Release all material to the voters. All right? I was making a documentary about your prison industry. Town Hall Community in Crisis, 1402 Lochner. You see that? WVON Radio. Shorty documentary. All right? That's Hazel Norman. She died last year. That's the state of Maryland. Y'all stole money from me. See the date? Shorty documentary. That's Jake Davis. That's James Hammond. And that's 2011 when you kidnapped me. I'm blowing the whistle on the Baltimore City and Baltimore County courts. The corruption in the courts. Judge Souder, Judge Janae, Judge Papaya. And in Illinois, Judge Rossetti, Judge Hall, Judge Bridges, and the state's attorney, Michael Waller, Ken LaRue, and my lawyer, John Bailey. These is the tapes. Like I said, I was making a movie. These are the people that know about the movie. These are the elected officials in Maryland with full knowledge. All right? Parole and probation. Got that? See who got that? Bobby Zirkin, Lisa Gladden, McIntosh, Thelma Branch, McFadden, Jill P. Carter. See who got that? Shorty, pull your mask up? No, we getting ready to unmask all y'all. Francott been hiding this investigation since he was controller. That's Brian Frosh. Like I said, it's all about Baltimore. Show you how this machine works. That's Bank of America. That's Brian Frosh. And that's the forged check. I was in jail. And that's the state of Maryland that accepted it. See that? You asked me to file criminal charges. I fell in a state audit. I filed criminal charges. And Brian Frosh got that in 2016. You filed false papers with the courts. See that? I was locked up in another state. That's a Jailhouse Diary. And it clearly states the FBI, Department of Justice, on Roosevelt Road. I was locked up again here, and it clearly states the judicial system, judges, lawyers, and the politicians. Contact Westmore, he got my complaint. Contact Andy Harris, he got it too. We talking about the judges and lawyers that get paid off the war on drugs. Want to save a cop's life? End the war on drugs. I gave you a criminal enterprise right there in 2010. It's all right here. You got Out for Justice, all right? Lobby Day. Out for Justice, Lobby Day. That's boom. That's the voters registration. That's voters registration. And that's Ed Norris. We talking about corruption. We talking about racism. We talking about Baltimore.